If you ever changed colors in crochet and then looked at it like, why does it look like that? You follow the steps, but somehow your stitches still look bulky, your edges are doing their own thing, and you're side-eyeing your whole project. You're not alone, and honestly, you're probably not even doing it wrong. You're just changing colors at the wrong time. I'm Alicia of Little John Yarns, and if you want more tutorials that explain exactly why things work, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to change colors in the middle of the row and at the end of the row, so your stitches look clean and your edges stay nice and straight. So, let's hop into it. We're going to start by changing colors in the middle of the row. Whenever we change colors, we're going to switch yarn on the last yarn over pull through. Let me show you. So we're going to start with double crochets. So we're going to go into that next stitch and start your double crochet by yarn over, pull through 2. And you would have another yarn over where you typically yarn over and pull through, but we're not going to do that. We're going to place this yarn behind your work, and we're going to pick up the new color and pull through those last 2 loops on your hook. And now you change colors. Simple as that. And now you're just going to work over those last ends all the way to the very end of the row. And that is how you change colors in the middle of your row. Now next, I'm going to teach you how to change colors at the very end of your row. We've made it to the end of the row, and the change of colors is exactly the same. We're going to change colors on the last yarn over. Remember, this works with single crochet and half double crochet and on. You always change colors on the last yarn over pull through. So let's start that double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2. I have 2 loops on my hook. Let's drop that working yarn. We'll pick up the new color, yarn over, and pull through 2. This time, well, let me get my main color. We're just going to take the 2 tails that we're not using, and we're just going to spin it around to the opposite side. Chain your normal to the top of your double crochet, and you double crochet as normally. And you're working right back over those ends again. Let me show you what it looks like. Let me do a couple so you can see. And you're working right back over those ends, and that's how you change colors at the very end of your row. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please check out my other crochet tips and hacks and tricks right here, and I'll see you all on the very next one. Bye, guys.